Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing for the company GenCrafts. They sent me a box full of goodies for me to show you, so here it is, yay! So they sent me this premium watercolor paper. I like the design, it's really cool. It has this is 8.3 by 11.7. It has 30 pages and it's 140 pounds, acid free, right here. Ooh, oh my god. So this is a 48 color palette, solid watercolor palette. And it comes with a watercolor paper pad, 5 inches by 9.4 inches. Like a bundle. Yeah, I'm so excited. And I also got some 20 watercolor pens. Yeah, this is real brush tip. Okay, and also received 50 premium watercolors. And as you can see here in the back, it has all of the colors. And this is mine. Woo! 100 watercolor brush pens. Can you imagine how many colors? Like right here, this is the color swatch. And I think one of these comes with a brush or something like that, like a watercolor brush, the refillable brush. I'm not sure which one of these has it, but I'm gonna be doing a swatch for all of these. I'm gonna open this one, the 100 watercolor pens, and I think I'm gonna do a giveaway for these two, so stay tuned. And yeah, this is it. Well, thank you very much, GenCrafts, for all of these goodies. I'm so happy and excited to show you guys how this product works. And yeah, well guys, I wanna stop for a moment and tell you what I've been. I uploaded a video on my YouTube channel about a protest in Puerto Rico, and some of you may have been asking like, what is this? What is going on? It's nothing to do with my channel. It has nothing to do with my channel, but I was there for like 5 days. I took a flight from Miami to Puerto Rico to join my people for the protest. We were fighting against the government, the corrupt government, and I'm happy to say that I was there. It's a very emotional moment. It was a very emotional moment for me because when I left Puerto Rico because of that, because of the government, because of the problems and the way we were living over there, and we had much better opportunities here in the United States. So we decided to leave everything behind, our family, our friends, our land that we love so much, and to come here. And it was all because of that. So when I saw that my people was going out in the streets and fighting and, you know, just doing what they needed to do in order to take him out, take the governor out, like I felt the call. I felt that I needed to do something, because I've been here for 2 years, but that's my land, that's my home, and I needed to do something, you know, like I needed to go fight. So I took a flight over there and I joined the protest. I'm gonna put some clips in this video so you can see what's going on, and I'm happy to say that we won this fight. The governor resigned Thursday, Wednesday. It was Wednesday. He resigned while I was there, and the energy, we were all so happy. It was awesome. Now this is just a step to fix our government. This is not something that it's like over right now. I just want to say that I'm really proud of my people and of being Puerto Rican. We stand united until we achieve what we wanted, and we're going for more. For you guys, I know this has nothing to do with art, but in life in general, when you want something, just go for it, just fight for it. You will not get anything if you just stay there and don't do anything. Like for example, there was a lot of years of Puerto Ricans just sitting down and watch while other protest and anything didn't happen. How do I say this? Just people didn't go out in the streets, on the streets to fight for their rights. And there were just a few people that had the courage to do it. But this time, like a lot of people, like most Puerto Ricans were out in the streets fighting for their rights. And that's how it's supposed to be. That's how it's supposed to be in all ways, you know, in all, in life in general. Like if you want something, just go for it. So yeah, I just wanted to say that I'm back here in my home, my home now, and yeah. Well, stay tuned for the giveaway. It's coming very soon. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.